Hi, I'm Jonathan Cesar Kauga. I am applying for any position in the company. So, my expertise includes managing accounts, payable, receivables, payroll processing, financial reporting, and general ledger entries. So, I am adept at using QuickBooks to streamline financial operations, increase efficiency, and ensure accurate financial data, which I believe aligns well with the requirements of the position. So, I am eager to bring my accounting skills and QuickBooks knowledge to your company and help support your financial operations. I look forward to the opportunity to discuss how I can contribute to your team. So, first, my output in QuickBooks account. So, this account is already reconciled. So these are the PayPal Bank, Wells Fargo checking account with last account number 2655, Wells Fargo loan repayment account, Wells Fargo savings account with last account number 9969, Wells Fargo credit card with a last account number 4338, the Balboa Capital Financing Pacific Leasing and the Funback. So these are already reconciled as of May 31, 2019. So these accounts will show to you about the reports options. or or the reconcile. So this bank transaction, the Wells Fargo credit card and the Wells Fargo checking account. So these from the bank balance and the QuickBooks are already balanced. So chart of accounts. So these are the accounts are already input in the different chart of accounts. So if you can see in our balance sheet, show to you it's about the balance sheet. So the balance sheet as of November 30, 2024, as you can see, there is the total liabilities and equity total of 16,623.48. So this is the balance sheet, and we can also show the profit and loss. So profit and loss. So we will show that in May, May, May 1 to May 30. And report. Okay, so 2019 May 1 to 2019. Okay. So as you can see, there is a net income of negative 3,739.13. It is an negative. So also on chart of account. So as you can see, these are the chart of account that we are using in the business. Accounts payable and deposit, Balboa Capital, deferred fund box, and the loan builder. So, they have also a certificate in the QuickBooks and also in a goes to payroll, certified, and also invite to at saka yung Zero Pro Advisor certificate. Thank you for listening.